Welcome to this tutorial on numbers in PowerShell. In this video, we'll explore the two main numeric data types, integers and decimals. Understanding these fundamental data types is essential for performing calculations and working with numeric values in your PowerShell scripts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use both types effectively and perform arithmetic operations with them. PowerShell works with two primary number types. First, we have integers, which are whole numbers without any decimal points. These are perfect for counting items, representing ages, or any situation where you need exact whole numbers. Second, we have decimals, which are numbers that can include fractional parts after the decimal point. Decimals are useful for precise calculations involving prices, measurements, or any value that requires fractional precision. Let's look at some examples of integers in PowerShell. You can assign integers to variables just like any other value. For instance, $age equals 25 creates a variable storing the integer 25. $count equals 100 stores the whole number 100. Integers can also be negative, like $negative equals negative 50. And of course, 0 is also an integer, as shown with $0 equals 0. Notice that none of these values have decimal points. Now let's examine decimal numbers, also called floating point numbers. These values include a decimal point and fractional parts. For example, $price equals 19.99 represents a price with cents. $pi equals 3.14159 stores the mathematical constant pi with decimal precision. Decimals can be negative too, like $temperature equals negative 5.5 for below zero temperatures. Finally, $fraction equals 0.75 shows a value less than 1. The key difference is the presence of the decimal point. Let's directly compare these two types. An integer like 42 is a whole number with no decimal part. It's stored efficiently in memory and perfect for discrete counting. A decimal like 7.5 includes a fractional value, allowing for more precise calculations. The main distinction is that integers cannot represent fractional amounts, while decimals can. Choose integers when you need whole numbers and decimals when you need fractional precision in your calculations. PowerShell supports all standard arithmetic operations. Addition uses the plus sign, so 10 plus 5 equals 15. Subtraction uses the minus sign, so 20 minus 8 equals 12. Multiplication uses the asterisk symbol, so 6 times 7 equals 42. Division uses the forward slash, so 15 divided by 3 equals 5. These operations work with both integers and decimals. When you divide two integers, PowerShell automatically returns a decimal result if there's a fractional part. PowerShell offers additional useful arithmetic operators. The modulus operator, represented by the percent sign, returns the remainder of division. For example, 17 modulus 5 equals 2 because 17 divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 2. The exponentiation operator, represented by two asterisks, raises a number to a power. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. You can also use the double plus operator to increment a variable by 1, and the double minus operator to decrement a variable by 1. These are shorthand ways to increase or decrease values. Let's recap what we've learned. First, integers are whole numbers without decimal points, perfect for counting and discrete values. Second, decimals have fractional parts after the decimal point, ideal for precise calculations. Third, you can use standard arithmetic operators like plus, minus, asterisk, and forward slash for calculations, along with advanced operators like modulus and exponentiation. Understanding these numeric types and operations forms the foundation for working with data in PowerShell. Practice using these in your scripts to become comfortable with numeric operations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.